SEO-optimized title: How to Stream Games Online and Earn Money in 2026 Script. How to stream games online and earn money. That is exactly what we're diving deep into today, because in 2026, streaming is one of the most accessible and scalable ways for gamers of any age to turn their hobby into real income. Whether you're a high schooler with a budget gaming laptop or a college student with a decent PC, you can start streaming today without spending hundreds of dollars on fancy equipment. The barriers have never been lower thanks to free software, mobile streaming options, and multiple platforms that pay creators faster than ever. Let's begin with the fundamentals so you understand exactly what you're getting into. Streaming games online and earning money means broadcasting your gameplay live to an audience while earning through subscriptions, donations, ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. In 2026, the industry is worth billions, and thousands of new streamers are breaking through every month because viewers crave authentic personalities, skill showcases, and community interaction more than polished productions. You do not need to be a pro gamer. Many top earners are just entertaining, consistent, and great at chatting with chat. The first thing you need is a basic setup that costs nothing or almost nothing. Your existing PC or laptop is enough to start. Download the free streaming software OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Both are completely free and powerful in 2026. If you only have a phone, use the official Twitch or YouTube mobile apps for mobile streaming, which is exploding this year. For audio, your phone's built-in mic or a $20 USB mic from Amazon works fine at first. Webcam? Your laptop camera or phone camera is perfect. Many successful streamers started without one and added it later. Internet speed matters. Aim for at least 5 to 10 megabits per second upload, which most home connections already have. Test your speed on speedtest.net and you're ready. No fancy lighting or green screen required in the beginning. Natural room light is enough. Now let's talk platforms, because choosing the right one is critical for how to stream games online and earn money. Twitch is still the king for pure gaming in 2026. Signing up is free, you can go live instantly, and the affiliate program is reachable after just 50 followers, 8 hours streamed, and 7 unique viewers in the last 30 days. Once affiliate, you unlock subscriptions, bits donations, and ad revenue. YouTube gaming has grown massively because it ties directly into the YouTube algorithm. If you already post shorts or regular videos, your streams get pushed to the same audience. Monetization starts at 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, or the new shorts-based thresholds. Kick is the rising challenger with 95/5 revenue split in your favor, lower barriers to monetization, and less strict rules on content. Facebook gaming still pays well for certain niches like mobile games and has built-in audience from Facebook groups. TikTok Live is perfect for quick vertical streams and younger audiences, paying through gifts in the Creator Rewards program. Most successful streamers in 2026 multi-stream to 2 to 3 platforms using free tools like Restream or Streamlabs Multistream, so they never miss viewers. Setting up your first stream is surprisingly simple. Open OBS Studio, add your game capture source, add your webcam if you have one, and add a free overlay from Stream Elements or Nerdorty. These sites give beautiful overlays, alerts, and chat boxes completely free. Link your accounts, set your stream title with searchable keywords like Valorant Ranked Grind, Chill Vibes, or Minecraft Survival, building a mega base, and hit Go Live. Your first 10 to 20 streams will probably have 0 to 5 viewers. That is completely normal. The secret is consistency. Stream on the same days and times every week so people can plan to join you. Growing an audience is where most new streamers quit, but it's also where the money starts. Post your stream schedule on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter/X, and Discord every day. Create 15 to 60-second TikTok and YouTube Shorts clips from your streams, funny moments, big plays, rage compilations, or day in the life of a streamer. These clips act as free advertising and drive people back to your live channel. Engage with every single person who shows up in chat. Say their name, answer questions, joke with them. Build a community, not just an audience. Join Discord servers for your game and be active without spamming your link. Collaborate with other small streamers, raid them at the end of your stream, and ask for raids back. In 2026, the algorithm rewards engagement more than raw hours, so talk to chat constantly and react to everything. Monetization is the exciting part once you have even a small audience. On Twitch, when you hit affiliate, you can enable subscriptions, bits, and ads. Many streamers earn $500 to $2,000 monthly from subs and bits alone once they reach 50 to 100 average viewers. YouTube pays through super thanks, super chats during streams, channel memberships, and ad revenue. Kick gives you the highest cut right away, 95% of subs and donations. TikTok gifts convert to real money quickly. Beyond platform payouts, affiliate marketing is huge. Sign up for free programs like Amazon Associates, GamerSups, or gaming peripheral brands and place links in your description and chat. When viewers buy through your link, you earn commission. Sponsorships come later. When you hit 100 to 500 regular viewers, brands reach out for paid promotions or free product reviews. Merch is another stream. Teespring or Streamlabs. Merch lets you sell custom t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs with your logo at no upfront cost. Realistic earnings timeline is important so you don't get discouraged. Month 1 to 3, $0 to $100 total while you learn and grow to 10 to 20 average viewers. Month 4 to 6, $200 to $800 as you unlock affiliate/partner features and consistent viewers start supporting. Month 6 to 12, $1,000 to $5,000 plus once you have 100 to 300 average viewers and multiple income streams. Top earners in 2026 with 1,000 plus average viewers clear $10,000 to $50,000 monthly, but that is after 1 to 3 years of consistency. The key is treating streaming like a part-time job. At first, schedule it, show up, and improve every stream. Content strategy matters more than raw skill. Pick a main game but have 2 to 3 backup games so you never run out of content. Mix gameplay with personality talk about your day, answer questions, do Q&As, challenges, or charity streams. In 2026, viewers love just chatting segments mixed with gameplay. Use free AI tools like Streamlabs, AI captions, or ChatGPT to generate ideas for stream titles and thumbnails. Create a simple schedule. Stream 4 to 5 days a week for 2 to 4 hours each. Quality over quantity, better lighting, clear audio, and engaging commentary beat long, boring streams every time. Advanced tips to scale faster. Build an email list or Discord community early so you own your audience. Run giveaways to boost retention. Analyze your stats every week. Which games get the most viewers? Which times perform best? What clips go viral? Adjust accordingly. Cross-promote on Reddit and game-specific subreddits, Pinterest for thumbnails, and TikTok for clips. Network with other streamers in your size range. Collaborations double your reach overnight. Taxes and legal stuff. In the US and most countries, you must report streaming income once it exceeds a certain threshold. Use free tools like PayPal or Stripe reports to track everything. Set aside 25 to 30% for taxes. If you're under 18, have a parent help with accounts and payouts. Always read platform terms. Some games have strict rules about streaming. Common mistakes that kill new streamers: inconsistent schedule, ignoring chat, copying big streamers instead of developing your own personality, chasing trends instead of building a loyal niche, and giving up after 30 streams with low numbers. Fix these by treating it like a business from day one. Track metrics, stay authentic, and celebrate small wins like your first 10 followers or first donation. How to stream games online and earn money also involves protecting yourself. Never share personal information like your address or school. Use a separate streaming account from your main socials. Enable two-factor authentication everywhere. Be careful with toxic chat use, free moderation bots like Nightbot or Stream Elements to auto-moderate. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Streaming is fun but can become exhausting if you overdo it. Scaling beyond basic income. Once you're making steady money, reinvest smartly. Better mic, lighting, or a capture card. Hire a free or low-cost editor from Fiverr to clip your streams into YouTube videos. Create a Patreon for exclusive content. Launch a second channel for edited highlights. Many streamers in 2026 diversify into coaching, selling digital guides, or even launching their own gaming brand. How to stream games online and earn money becomes real when you stop thinking of it as just playing games and start treating it as content creation with a business mindset. Consistency beats talent every single time. The streamers earning full-time today started exactly where you are. 0 viewers, basic setup, nervous on their first stream. How to stream games online and earn money is achievable for anyone willing to show up day after day. Pick one platform today, download OBS or the mobile app, schedule your first stream this week, and commit to at least 30 streams before deciding if it's for you. Track your progress weekly and celebrate every milestone. How to stream games online and earn money in 2026 is more realistic than ever because the tools, algorithms, and audience are waiting for authentic new voices like yours. If this guide gave you the confidence and roadmap to start streaming, follow my channel right now for more in-depth gaming side hustle guides, setup tutorials, and income updates. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below with your main game and the first platform you're trying. I read and reply to as many comments as possible. Thanks for watching all the way through. Now go hit that Go Live button and start building your streaming income today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and keep grinding.